Did you know building Lego could actually help your memory? In this video I will share 5 floral memory boosting sets. In 5th place I have Lotus Flowers. Each flower sits on its own stem and all 3 stems are identical. That means you are repeating same stem, build 3 times. First one you build with instructions and the other 2 try without to train your memory. Petals are also identical. Once you've built one, the rest are the same. And once you've built the white flower, try building pink one from memory. In 4th place I have Daffodils. This set gives you 2 yellow and 2 white flowers. Each pair is identical and the best part, all 4 stems are built exactly the same. It's simple, repetitive and surprisingly calming. And once you build one, your hands remember the rest, and that's where the memory boost happens. In 3rd place I have Lucky Bamboo. To start with, the pot has 4 identical parts. And also it is identical on both sides. This bamboo has 3 stems and they all are built the same way, the only difference is the size. Once you build your first one, you just have to repeat the process 2 more times. Each stem has a branch and they are 3 identical. Each branch has 3 sets of leaves, that is 9 identical leaves to build, perfect for memory boosting. In 2nd place I have Mini Orchid. Again, plant pot consists of 4 identical parts to build. You only need to learn the first one and the rest just follow. Mini Orchid has 2 sets of identical leaves. It has 5 flowers. Once you build the first one, the others are exactly the same. They are a little delicate, but once you get the hang of it, the rest just flows. This kind of repetition is great for memory. And in the 1st place I have Bouquet of Roses. This set comes with 3 different types of roses and each one is built 4 times. That is 12 roses in total and all 12 stems are identical too. And once you've built your first one, try building other 3 from memory. This is 2nd type of rose, and once you've built it, try practicing the other 3 from memory. Leaves are also identical on all 4 roses. This set also includes baby breath little flowers. They are perfect for memory boosting because they are identical as well. On to third type of rose. I can definitely feel my memory is improving. I really enjoyed building all the 3 because I already knew what I was doing. And once you've built all 12 roses, pick one and see if you can rebuild it from memory. So there you have it, my top 5 memory improving Lego sets. They might look simple, but the repetition helps your brain stay sharp, focused and calm. I'll be back soon with something new.